What's up, YouTubers or people watching this? Yeah. I know I look like I'm gonna rob your mama, but I'm not. So I'm gonna show my face on camera, but like this. I don't really want to show the rest of my face. But I've noticed my commentary videos don't do too well. So today we're gonna do something different. We're gonna make slime. Boom. So what is slime? I'll show you. Ah, Jesus Christ. See this whiteboard? I need a marker. So well, shoot. So slime. But if you don't know, slime is actually an acronym. What does this acronym mean? It means smells like I masturbated. E. So smells like I masturbated. E. That's what slime means. Now on to the point of the video. Why am I making slime? Because I have no other ideas. We're going to use household items I have to make some slime. Hi. So, we're in my kitchen. I'm actually recording this a day after. So, on to the tutorial. I already looked up a recipe for this, so let's look. Elmer's white glue, baking soda, cup of water, shaving cream, and contact lens solution. Oh, you can also add food coloring if you want. I'm going for that classic white. So, got a bowl, and I actually don't have any glue. So, we're gonna improvise and use milk. How many cups did it say? 2/3 cups. I'm just gonna eyeball it. That's good enough. So next, we need baking soda. Aha! Half a teaspoon. Yeah, alright. I'm kind of regretting doing this video. Alright, so we got baking soda. A cup of water. 1/4 of a cup. We're just gonna use the faucet. Yeah, that's good enough. Alright, so this is what we have of the liquid so far. It's kind of just glue. By the way, I'm recording this with a tripod. Yeah. Shaving cream is next. 2 or 3 cups. So, I do actually have shaving cream for my beautiful, luscious face, but I don't want to waste my shaving cream. So, we're gonna use something else. Glass cleaner. It's better work. Alright, that works. Alright, what else do we need? Contact lens solution. I don't have any of that. We're just gonna use this. So, now we gotta mix it. Oh god. Didn't I need borax solution or something? It's very liquidy. Jesus Christ, I don't want to feel. It's so cold. I feel like I'm not making slime. I'm actually making like some very poisonous thing that you shouldn't make at home. Who knows? Maybe I'll like get diabetes or something. I think it's done. Guys, so this is my slime. I'll dump it out to show you. Yeah, I'm gonna dump this out now. I really regret this. But next video, I'll do like a vlog thing. I'll either do a vlog or a challenge. You guys let me know. If you liked the video, make sure you like it. If you subscribe, you'll get one weed. You'll get one whole weed. Straight from the blunt. Now, if you excuse me, I'm gonna use that slime to feed to like a pig or something. I don't know. I don't know.